It's time to create, it's time to create, it's time to experiment and make something great. Show your own colors in your own way. It's time to create, it's time to create.
Today we're going to do easy Collagraph printing. This is a super easy printmaking activity that you can do with foam sheets or with cardboard. In this video we're using foam sheets, but you can use cardboard for it as well. Let's gather our materials. The materials you'll need are craft foam sheets that you can find in the children's section of the arts and crafts store, or cardboard. You'll need scissors, you'll need glue, water-based printing ink, paper, and a trim roller, a mini roller, plus a paper plate or an acrylic frame for rolling out the ink. Let's set up for success. Printmaking is a rather messy art activity, and so I suggest covering your work surface, protecting your work surface with an art mat, a waterproof tablecloth, or with paper such as newspaper. Let's create. First, you'll make your Collagraph printing plate. And to do this, you will cut your foam into the shape, whatever shape you like. You can keep it in a rectangle or square, or you can cut it into a flower, a heart, a face, a car, a house, anything you like. And that's your base. And now you will cut other foam pieces into geometric shapes or little bits and pieces, any abstract shape, or into anything you like. You can cut them into hearts and flowers or any design you like, and then glue those little pieces to your base. You will probably want to let that dry overnight. Once that's dry, you can do your printmaking with your Collagraph printing plate. And to do that, squeeze a little bit of your water-based printing ink onto a paper plate or your acrylic frame and roll it out with your trim roller. And this is to cover the trim roller with an even layer of the ink. And then take that trim roller and roll it out over your Collagraph printing plate to cover your printing plate with an even layer of ink. Now take your printing plate and set it on a piece of scrap paper, and then press your art paper on top and rub it evenly with your hands to create your print. Lift up the paper to reveal your print. And you can repeat this process as many times as you like. Once you have your Collagraph printing plate, you can use it as many times as you like, and you can use the same color of ink, or you can use a different color of ink. You can combine colors of ink and make as many prints as you like. Or you can start over and create a new Collagraph printing plate with a different design and make a new print. Share or display your art. These are very frameable and giftable. You can also create multiple prints. They're great for Valentine's, for example, because you can do the work to create one Valentine printing plate and then print as many Valentines as you need for family and friends. It's also fun to create a trio or a quartet of images that are perhaps printed in different colors and display them together. Or use your imagination and do anything you like.
From the very start.